actually French people from France, and they were not able to understand my Quebecois accent. But why do I understand them when they speak and they don't understand me? We're able to read in between the lines and we're able to understand pretty much anyone, even though you have an accent. So you're welcome to. So to finish it all, imitation. So first we start with the Quebecois Canadian, because actually you have to know that Canadian are different than Quebecois. Quebec is a little place in Canada, which I don't do this. I hate. But a typical Québécois would say something like tabarnak de calice, de Saint-Cyboire, de crise, de tabarnak. Crise, que je suis écœurée, tabarnak. De. I'm not gonna go too far. Je vais pas aller trop loin pour pas vous faire peur. Je vais imiter maintenant un américain. Fucking hell. This bastard. Oh. What did they say? I'm tired, man, of this bullshit.